This is Peter Dew, public speaking trainer and coach. One of the workshops that I run all the time is thinking and speaking off the cuff. The ability to respond to questions, to put forward ideas at meetings, to perform well at job interviews, to just give your ideas in an informed discussion is one of the most valuable skills we've got, thinking and speaking off the cuff. Now, there's a range of tools that you can use to be more effective with thinking and speaking off the cuff. And I'm going to share with you one of those tools today, and it's called Planned Spontaneity. So spontaneous or spontaneity is off the cuff. It's just a spontaneous response. I just decided to spontaneously stand up and put my point of view forward. Planned spontaneity is a tool that you can have in your tool bag for off-the-cuff speaking. Some examples of when you can use planned spontaneity. You're at a networking event, you're at a barbecue, people say, "So what do you do, Peter?" And of course, my elevator pitch, my elevator speech comes out. And it seems like I've just responded spontaneously to a question, but I know what my elevator pitch is. It's planned. A second example of planned spontaneity is when you don't know the answer to the question. Thanks for that question. That's a really good question. I haven't seen that data. Let me find out and I'll get back to you within 24 hours. So really what I'm doing is taking the question on notice. And many people, when they get a question that they struggle with, their body language goes passive, they become shy, they become a little bit squirmy, a bit unagitated, they've been caught out. Planned spontaneity is that response when you say, "Thanks for the question, I don't have the answer, but I know where to find out. Let me get back to you within 24 hours. A third way of using planned spontaneity is when you have those frequently asked questions. So there's probably 10 questions I get asked all of the time. How to control nerves, what do you do when your mind goes blank, what should I do with my hands, etc. So when someone asks me that question, it seems like I'm spontaneously responding to the question. But I've got my crafted little buckets, responses for each question. You can call it frequently asked questions, you can call it your bucket list of questions, but if you have a confident and credible planned response for those frequently asked questions, you're doing a presentation, you're doing a facilitation, you're at a meeting and someone throws that question at you, everybody looks at you, and you respond with this planned spontaneity. So while off the cuff speaking, thinking and speaking off the cuff can be difficult and it can be stressful, having 2 or 3 planned responses, your elevator pitch, what to say when you don't know the answer, and those frequently asked questions will hold you in good stead and make you look more confident. That's it today. My name's Peter Dew, public speaking trainer and coach.